In this video, we will discuss viewing diagnostics on a QuietCore Plus vacuum or compressor. Note, the diagnostics available will be different between a vacuum and compressor. In this video, we will be demonstrating using a vacuum. Begin by pressing the menu button. Use the down button to highlight diagnostics. Press Select. Select Status. Use the up and down buttons to cycle through the different available statuses. Note, the diagnostics available will be different between a vacuum and compressor. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.